How to make content calendar for social media on Google Sheets. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a simple guide on how to organize and plan your social media content using Google Sheets. So it's quite simple. You can follow me along in order to do the steps effectively. So what you're going to do is first of all, open your Google Sheets, and of course a calendar contains 7 days. So you can just just choose the first row and just choose the 7 first columns of the first row. And once you do so, it will be from A to G. You can just click on this over here, and then you gotta click on merge. So what you can do is simply click on merge, and after that you can type down month and year. And after that you can click on merge again, or you can click on these 3 lines, and after that you can click on this and centralize the text. Now, after that, what you're going to do is type down the days. So for that, what you can do is simply type down the formula. I'm just going to make it big for you so you can view it good. And after that, you're going to type down the formula that is equal to text. So just type it down, equal to text, brace start, column, and braces. And after that, comma, and 4 times D in inverted commas, and then close the brace and just hit enter. Now you can see that it picks up the day, and you can just drag it till the 7 days, and you can see there is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now after that, what you're going to do is simply type down the dates. So you can just select from which day the date starts, from which day the specific month starts. So you can just type down all the dates of the month. So once you're done with the dates, what you're going to do is you're going to make this calendar a very nice, visual, appealing. So what you're going to do is just select all of the rows containing the dates. So you can see that row 3 contained the dates, and then we have row 5. So just click on Control and start selecting all of the rows containing the dates. And then you can change the color of those dates. So you can just click on these 3 dots, and then you can click on color and change the color of the date section. So for example, I'm going to make it something like this. And after that, what you're going to do is select all of the rows which did not contain the dates. So just click on Control, long press on Control, and start selecting, and then you can extend it so that you can write within these boxes. So now you can see it gives a very nice calendar type look. Now you got to delete all of the rows that are on the right and at the bottom. So you can just click on Control and Shift, and then you can click on right arrow. Then you can simply right click anywhere, and once you do so, you're going to click on Delete Columns from H to Z. And after that, you're going to repeat the same from this one, Control plus Shift and down arrow. And after that, just delete rows from here. Now you can see this is a very nice calendar type of look, and you have created a calendar. Now if you wish to add some content for a specific date, for example, I'm going to type the content such as marketing assignment, and I'm going to write some details such as SEO optimization, that what is the assignment about. And once you do so, you can click enter. Now you can see that it just spreads along all of the days. So what we can do is select all of the calendar, click on format, and then you got to click on wrapping, and here you got to click on wrap. Now you can see that the text has been wrapped among the box, and it will not exceed the margins. So that was basically how you can make content calendar for social media on Google Sheets. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.